Hey, what's up guys? This is Drew Gets Technical, and today on this video topic I'm going to be talking about the upgrade from Tiger macOS 10.4 to macOS 10.6 Snow Leopard. And I'm doing this because I know everybody who has a Macintosh computer isn't technically upgrading from Leopard to Snow Leopard, or even Tiger to Snow Leopard. Some people are still on Jaguar, believe it or not. I know a couple people that still are. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start off with the menu bar. First thing you'll notice is a black apple up there. Remember, this is switching from Tiger to Snow Leopard, not Leopard to Tigers. I know a lot of people gonna be like, oh, you can do that on Leopard, but this is for people who's switching from Tiger to Leopard and who just wanted to know, because I wanted to know. Okay. So here goes the menu bar, and I'll go ahead and show you I am running Snow Leopard. Say if we open up an application, I'm going to open up an application here real quick. Remember on the services menu when you had all those things that were shaded in gray like this? Now it just says no services, which is really cool because that was kind of irritating because I tend to click on it sometimes and be like, oh man, why they put it here and I can't even click this. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let me go ahead and close iChat. Another thing is the help menu. You have integrated search for your help menu. That's pretty cool. And another thing is the Wi-Fi actually has signals going down for the concurrent Wi-Fi's. Okay, and another thing is the Finder. The oh so speechless Apple Finder. Okay, now real quick I want to get into the zoom feature of the Finder, which is really neat. And as you can see, you can get real close. And if you can just look at the detail of the graphics that Apple does, it's like a cement graphic thing going on here. I think that's pretty cool. And you can zoom back out. That's how small you want it. But I wear glasses, so I will probably not keep it that small. Okay, now another thing is, which is new to even Leopard people, is quick play. You can go and you're gonna see a little play button in here, and this is just me acting silly, dancing to a song. And you can still zoom while the video is playing, which Apple has just, I mean, really. Stop it. You're giving us too much. You can pause, and as you can see, there's a little round thing, and that round thing is actually telling how much is left in the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this folder, and another thing I'm gonna do is show you the quick view. Okay, and as you can see, I have a PDF file right here, and I'm gonna zoom in on that. And you see it renders it pretty quick with the resizing. It's pretty cool. And it's a PDF, multiple page PDF, and you can actually go through the PDF right there. Or you can do this. A new feature is press the space bar and it'll open up PDF preview. So no opening the preview app, waiting for that. You can just go ahead, press select. Works pretty fast. Very fast. You can still scroll down, and you can also expand to full screen. Okay, let me get up out of that. Okay, let me zoom back out here. And another thing for the Tiger users is cover flow. Tiger did not have cover flow in the Finder. You can use it iTunes style cover flow. I mean, that's, I guess you want to look at pictures, maybe not really documents, but the quick view is also enabled on the cover flow. Okay, and now that we're done with the actual Finder window, we will actually go to the desktop, and as you can see, the same rules still apply. The quick view still applies. Nice picture of our president and his Macintosh, of course. It's pretty cool. Okay, and as you can see with the PDF, you can still go through the PDF and still quick view. Which, I mean, this is pretty convenient. No opening the preview window, which usually takes a minute, as you can see. And another thing for the preview, we got a couple more tools here, mini photo editing tools that you can use. Okay, so we're gonna close preview, and while we're down here on the dock, we're gonna display the dock. As you can see, the dock is pretty new for us Tiger users, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so you can see. It's pretty reflective, and as you can see, it's like a 3D. It's like laid down, and the icons are nice and bright. Nice and bright, and you can resize it right here. This was available in Tiger, but I just wanted to point it out because some people just don't know that. Okay, while we're here on the dock, we're gonna get into the new dock, how it looks. As you can see, it has dark menu bars instead of the white plain ones. Dark menu bars, they are pretty nice. I know there are some third-party apps to customize that, but hey, I think they look pretty good. Cool, we're gonna go over to Firefox to display this. And the multiple desktop program I'm using is called Virtue. We're gonna go into Expose. Of course, you're used to doing Expose like this. And with Expose, the new Expose, you see we have blue outline. And as you can see, the Expose is more organized. They're nice and lined up. Okay, but another thing which is pretty cool that they included in macOS Snow Leopard is Dock Expose. If you look at this, I'm gonna hold the Firefox, and voila, for that specific application. Pretty darn cool. Okay, so that's Dock Expose and Expose. While we're still here on the dock, we're gonna go to Stacks. Stacks is new to Tiger users if you're upgrading to Leopard or Snow Leopard. As you can see, it's stacks, stuff stacked up in little places, and you can go through your applications and you can stack your documents up. I wanted to show you, you can easily grab a document and drag it to the desktop, which is pretty cool. I have my recent applications, which I don't really use. But another thing is, I wanted to show people how to put stacks on the dock, because in the system preference pane there are no dock options. So what you actually have to do is, okay, I'm gonna poof my applications. Okay, we're gonna go to applications and we're gonna actually drag it down here, and voila, applications right in the dock. That's how you get it in there. We're gonna go over here to email, which is pretty different. I use it all the time for all my mail, both my mail clients, and as you can see, the mail looks a little different from Tiger. It has a note and a to-do, and it also over here has a mail activity. Okay, and say I wanted to reply. There's a couple new things. There's a photo browser that you can use to easily insert photos. And I know you're not supposed to reply to these emails, but I'm just gonna blah 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 blah, and I'm gonna send. Okay, and as you can see, the mail activity is outgoing. Okay, and that's pretty good. And last but not least, I wanted to show trash can. Okay, so I have something right here in the trash can. And remember how it was so irritating if you wanted to see what something was in the trash can, but you had to put it back, and it would just defeat the whole purpose of stuff being in the trash. You would just end up forgetting about it. Okay, so you can actually do the quick view within the trash can, which is pretty good. And there's a new feature on the trash called put back. So if I want to put this back, put back, and it's right there again, which is pretty cool. Okay, one more thing. Okay, remember, I don't know about Leopard, but I know on Tiger, when you zoomed in using the command key and your two fingers, it used to follow the mouse everywhere. It used to follow the mouse everywhere, but now it stays in. The screen stays put unless you move the mouse. As you can see, it stays put. And I thought that was pretty convenient because I do use the screen zoom frequently. Pretty obsessed with it. Okay, so that'll be all. This is Drew Gets Technical. You can follow me on Twitter, www.twitter, if I was perfect. And I will see you guys later.